Hello, Zach Fugate, Sales Representative with Proactive Safety Services with your March Safety Tip of the Month. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, during 1999 through 2010, a total of 5,149 deaths from unintentional carbon monoxide poisoning occurred in the United States, an average of 430 deaths per year. Unintentional CO exposure accounts for an estimated 15,000 emergency department visits and 500 unintentional deaths in the United States each year. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous, colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. Initial symptoms of CO exposure include chest tightness, headache, fatigue, dizziness, drowsiness, or nausea. Symptoms could worsen to vomiting, confusion, or loss of consciousness if prolonged exposure occurs. If you suspect someone has been poisoned, take these steps immediately. Move the victim immediately to open and fresh air, call 911, administer 100% oxygen, administer CPR if the victim has stopped breathing. Thank you and stay safe.